Everybody is welcome to my YouTube channel. If somebody is interested in learning English in simple ways, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about this, these, that, and those. This, these, that, and those. This and these are used when referring to something close to the speaker. That means we use this and these when we talk about something close to us. This is followed by a singular noun. That means after the word this, we should use a singular noun. This is followed by a plural noun. It means after the word these, we should use a plural noun. Okay, now we will have a look at the examples. This car is very expensive. This dress is too big for me. This book is very good. This house is old. Now you can see all these are singular nouns. All these are singular nouns, right? So I have used a singular noun after the word this. Okay. These cars were sold yesterday. These shoes are very uncomfortable. These dogs are friendly. These apples are tasty. Here you can see after the word these, plural nouns are used, right? Cars, shoes, dogs, apples. They are plural nouns. Now we will have a look at that and those. We use that and those when we talk about something far from us, right? That and those are used when referring to something far from the speaker, right? That means we use that and those when we talk about something like far from us, right? That is that is used. So that is followed by a singular noun, right? Then here also, right? See, after the word that, we use a singular noun. We should use a singular noun. After the word those, we should use a plural noun. Those is followed by a plural noun, right? Those is followed by a plural noun. Okay, now we will have a look at the examples. That house was built 40 years ago. That woman is my neighbor. That animal is dangerous. That jacket is not mine. Right? Here you can see singular nouns can be seen. Right? After the word that, we should use a singular noun. Right? These are singular nouns. Right? Those people are blocking traffic. Those flowers are beautiful. Those parking spaces are reserved. Those shirts are expensive, right? So from here to here, you can see plural nouns. After the word those, we should use a plural noun. Okay, then if you if you think that you learned something from my lesson, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you will be able to learn English in simple ways.